Hola, me llamo Señor Adams. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre los verbos conocer y saber. You already know the present tense forms of saber and conocer. Saber and conocer both follow the pattern of regular ER verbs in the present tense, but each have an irregular yo form. Let's look at the verb saber first. Saber and conocer both mean to know. Let's look at the verb saber and its conjugations. Yo sé. Tú sabes. Usted, él, ella sabe. Nosotros sabemos. Vosotros sabéis. Ustedes, ellos, ellas saben. The yo form of saber is irregular. It does not follow the regular pattern that we know. The verb saber means to know facts and information. For example, ¿sabes si tenemos tarea para mañana? Do you know if we have homework for tomorrow? Or, ¿sabes quién es el director de la banda? Do you know who is the director of the band? You can also use saber with the infinitive of another verb to say that you know how to do something. You use the formula saber plus infinitive to know how to. For example, sé jugar al ajedrez. I know how to play chess. We can see the verb ser with the infinitive jugar to say, I know how to play. Another example. Sé hablar español. I know how to speak Spanish. We have the verb saber and hablar in the infinitive. Now let's look at the verb conocer. Yo conozco. Tú conoces. Usted, él, ella conoce. Nosotros conocemos. Vosotros conocéis. Ustedes, ellos, ellas conocen. Let's notice the irregular yo form, conozco, ZCO. We do that to make the letter C sound more like an S. Otherwise, it would be conozco. Okay. Conocer means to know a person or to be familiar with a place or thing. Example, ¿Conoces al profesor de esta clase? Do you know the teacher of this class? Another example, ¿Conoces el Club Atlético de la Calle 8? Do you know or are you familiar with the athletic club of 8th Street? So there we're seeing an example of a person and a place. When we talk about a person, use the a personal when you use conocer to say you know a person. For example, Guillermo conoce a mi primo Tomás. Guillermo knows my cousin Tomás, in which we insert this letter a to talk about a person. Tomás. Muy bien. I hope you're starting to understand saber y conocer a little bit better. Adiós.